How to cancel Uber Eats order. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can cancel an Uber Eats order, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you've ordered something on Uber Eats and you want to cancel it, keep in mind that the process of cancellation really depends upon many things. For example, you might have already ordered something, the restaurant might have already prepared it. If you cancel it, their food is going to go to wastage, so you have to pay a certain amount of fee in order to cancel it regardless. But if you're lucky, the delivery rider has not yet seen your order and has not yet told the restaurant to prepare it. If the restaurant hasn't prepared it, then you can still cancel the order. And to do this process, all you have to do is of course go ahead and launch the Uber Eats application as you would do it. Once you launch the Uber Eats app, what you want to do is just make sure to tap the little cart option that you can find from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the cart option, if you look at the top right hand side, you'll find this little orders button. You want to make sure to tap on go to orders, and when you go to orders over here, you'll be able to see all of the orders that you've made. Just select a specific order that you would like to cancel them respectively if there is a cancel button available, and this way you can cancel your Uber Eats order. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.